Welcome to this DelftStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to fix the end of stream error in Minecraft. This error usually happens when your connection to the server is suddenly lost or the server stops sending the data properly. First, just go ahead and restart Minecraft and try joining the server once again, because temporary connection drops can often trigger this error. Next, check your internet connection and make sure it is stable, since slow or unstable internet is one of the most common causes. After that, just go ahead and press Windows key on your keyboard, and you click on the power icon and choose to restart your device. And also go ahead and restart your router to refresh your connection. Now close any background apps that are using internet, such as downloads, streaming apps, or updates, because they can interfere or interrupt Minecraft's connection. Then try joining a different server to check if the issue is specific to one server. Finally, just go to any browser to your liking and search for Minecraft, and make sure it is updated to the latest version to avoid compatibility or connection bugs. So the simple rule is, when the connection drops between you and the server, end of stream error appears and a stable internet connection plus rejoining usually fixes it. And that's it. We just learned how to fix Minecraft end of stream error. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out the next DelftStack tutorial video.